Eagle Nation, our mission of inspiring each student every day really lives out in these pathway options that you have. We encourage you to take the time to have discussions around what pathway might I want to pursue at the high school, and how can I have this culminating capstone experience that is really going to set me up for success here and beyond the walls of Eden Prairie High School. For Human and Public Services, capstones include education, civics in action, and through Eden Prairie Online, public policy and artificial intelligence. For natural and applied sciences, capstones include science research and design and biomedical internship CNA capstone. For engineering, technology, and manufacturing, we have principles of engineering, advanced woodcrafting, iOS app development, and our aeronautics capstone. And for communication and arts, capstones include the Art Capstone, Media and Communication Capstone, through Eden Prairie Online, professional music performance, as well as writing, illustrating for publication. For our business and management pathway, our capstones include entrepreneurship, integrated marketing and analytics, and through Eden Prairie Online, leadership and management internship.
So in this integrated marketing and analytics capstone, the major difference is that the students are taking what they've learned from other classes, primarily marketing strategies and the digital and social media marketing class, and they are working with a client. So they were responsible for preparing for client meetings, researching, presenting ideas, taking feedback from the client, and then moving forward with revisions to get approval. The most enjoyable part about teaching this class is watching my students collaborate in real time, not only with their team members, but with the professionals in the field. Seeing them consistently grow in their confidence and their skills and figure out where the concepts and skills they're learning fit in with the future plans that they're looking to pursue when they leave Eden Prairie High School.
So there's a high demand right now within aviation. It's no longer, if you're doing commercial aviation, it's no longer required to have a bachelor's degree. You could go right from learning how to fly into doing like flight instruction and then work for a commercial airline. Or you could do the mechanics of it, learning how to fix planes. We have excellent connection here with Flying Cloud Airport just down the road from us. So it's in our community, it's part of who we are as Eden Prairie.
In this class, we are studying a generative artificial intelligence technology, so things like ChatGPT or Night Cafe, software that will create written or visual responses based on the prompts that you engineer. It's really going to rewrite the rules of how society works, of how education works, and the types of jobs that are going to be out there. And so I think for students, it really is giving them that front row seat, and not just as a passive participant, but really as someone who's actively helping to shape that future.
Capstone experiences really set students up to act like professionals would in the field. In these capstone courses, they are having interactions with professionals, they are solving real-world problems, and they are focusing on utilizing those skills of communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity that are essential once they leave Eden Prairie schools.